Good morning. This is Judge Alyssa Perez presiding over the 210th District Court Criminal Docket for January 19th, 2023. All matters being heard today are being heard in accordance with all emergency orders and directives regarding COVID-19. In addition to that, we are streaming all matters live via YouTube for public viewing. Mr. Marufo, would you call our next case, please?
In cause number 2014-0D01785, State of Texas versus Anthony Smith. Announcement of council, please.
Javier Salcedo, Assistant District Attorney for the state, ready to proceed.
Officer Ramos, adult probation.
And Mr. Smith, Ms. Ramos, you recognize Mr. Smith?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Smith is appearing remotely as well. We are scheduled today for an admonishment, but let me start with you, Ms. Ramos. I was looking, when we have these admonishments, we sometimes have like an email notification. Have you sent me anything on him? Because I didn't find anything in my emails.
No, Your Honor.
Okay, so then
Aside from the case summary, that's it.
Yeah, so then I'm really going to have some questions because the summary is short and to the point. He was placed on probation in 2015, modified to allow him to reside at a restricted address. 2015 is the last notation, and then dropped from treatment in May of 2020, June of 2022, and October 2022.
Yes, Your Honor.
And probation never updated the court on Mr. Smith?
Your Honor, I just inherited the case.
This
A
is
few
wholly,
days
Ms.
ago.
Ramos, this is wholly unacceptable. I mean, Carla, we're gonna need to have a conference now because this in a matter of 1 week has been multiple cases. And this one, he was dropped from treatment 3 times, twice in a year, and probation never notified the court. This is not some willy-nilly theft case, something, this is a serious case. And I don't know when it's going to resonate with someone that we need to be informed. I cannot properly handle. I mean, I was really hoping I was doing an incorrect search because I cannot, for the life of me, think how over 8 years? 8 years. He's been on probation for 8 years. And nobody notified the court that he was not in compliance. I want a bench warrant immediately. Immediately. And I really do not care if he has attempted to patch up, Mr. Smith, all of these failures to comply with your treatment. You are wholly not compliant with your probation. I want a bench warrant immediately.
Will do, Your Honor.
Carla, I need to speak with someone. If it means Maggie, I need that meeting ASAP.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Smith, there is going to be a warrant for your arrest. You might want to talk to your probation officer. Thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am.
May I be excused, Your Honor?
If you don't have anything else, yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Carla, please make sure I don't forget this guy's name. So
Okay,
we'll
Your Honor.
speak with Maggie. All right, who's next?
I believe Mr. Machado. Let me see, identify the Samsung user, Judge.
Oh my God, Mr. Underwood's coming back.
Judge, I just want to make sure, am I here on Liberty Ceniceros?
Yes, I believe so, Mr. Gutierrez.
Okay, I'll wait patiently. I just want to make sure I didn't misread.
Who's next?
I believe he's trying to connect, Judge.
Okay, if that's him with the Samsung, we need to go to somebody else. Who's next?
That is it, Judge, though there's nobody else pending. Judge.